How much water do marigold flowers need? Marigolds' bright, cheery blooms make them a popular choice for container gardens and landscape borders. They are also planted among vegetable gardens because of their pest deterring capabilities. Care. Marigolds are fairly drought tolerant, but produce more blooms if kept evenly moist, especially during hot weather. They need well-drained soil that is not soggy. Considerations. Marigolds grown in containers dry out more quickly than those in flower beds or vegetable gardens. Clay and plastic pots, especially, dry out quickly. These plants may need daily watering during hot weather. A moisture meter inserted in the soil quickly alerts gardeners to dry soil conditions. Growing needs. In addition to regular waterings, marigolds thrive in full sun. They are not at all cold hardy and are planted either from seed or nursery purchase plants after the last frost. They may also be started indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. They bloom 45 to 50 days after planting, according to West Virginia University Extension Service.